What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. It's a pretty day. Cold, but it's a pretty day, man. So y'all know, today, I told y'all, man, I'm gonna jump in brown coat. Jump in old brown coat today. Cruise it. See what I get into. Who knows, man? Who knows what I get into when I'm in this thing? I got the drag it with me. So y'all already know. I ain't made no lick in a minute too. When I see it straight away, boy, I'll be like, hey, it's time to put it down. But nah, man, I'm finna go pull up on Jesse right quick, man, over there at Lawless. See what he got going on, see what he got shaking. And I need to upload something, man. Jesse got that lightning strike internet. He got that lightning strike internet, man. So we finna pull up over there. And yeah, man, we all ready to roll. We ready to roll, man. Let me put everything. I need just that GoPro, man. That thing pouring. Yeah, I'm gonna just that, but I'm gonna tune in with y'all on the GoPro, man. Put this big boy camera up, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. You know, brown coat. Y'all see, I got this. I'll see what screen I got pulled on, so y'all know what time it is, man. Give me one in, man. Get one in, man. I ain't gonna see it. The last times I was in dry doing it. We got so much coming. The last times I was in dry doing it, but this time I'm finna see what we doing. We got another one coming. I ain't finna see nothing right now. There's too much traffic coming. I need to go in the box and set the rail limit because that first gear don't be shifting when you push it up. So you gotta get this straightened out. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Checking in, man. Pulling up at Lawless. See, I ain't even take the time, man, to see what old brown coat did with all that. And I had to deal, like I said, man, that thing hit 7,500 just then, man. I got to set a rail limit in that box, man. I got to go buy a serial cable. I got one, matter of fact. Nope, I got to buy a serial to USB cable. I got one in R&B, but I ain't going up under there disconnecting that and all that. What just got going on, man? They got that. They're probably in here eating. y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, so it's a couple days later. Like I said, when I got back, man, I ain't do too much. Like I said, I went by Lawless, helped my bro Jesse out, this and that, but I had some more stuff planned. So once again, hopping in brown coat, trying to get this thing, get everything done, man. I gotta go by AutoZone and pick some stuff up. So we're gonna do that. And I gotta go by Lawless again, but we probably gonna have a little fun, man. We're gonna have a little fun in this thing. Cause last time I drove it, I can't believe I just actually drove this thing, man. I ain't do nothing. I kept my composure, man. I ain't even do nothing. I can't believe it. Man, I might need to move the Escalade car. I am not, boy. I ran out there driveway one time, man. Got that the cow track. I don't know, I might be able to cut it. But that cow track get right there, boy, it's ugly. But anyway, let's hit to AutoZone, man. I was looking at the lug nuts on these, man, on R&B. I'm finna go buy some lug nuts and then, alright, y'all, the card got filled, man. But what I was saying, wife and the kids, they had got me an AutoZone gift card. They were one of the gifts for Christmas. So I was like, man, what can I use it on? And I was like, I'm gonna get some lug nut, man. I've been needing to get some lug nut for R&B. Called them little caps, man. Let me see if I can show y'all. They be getting stuck in the socket and stuff, man. I like, y'all hear that? Y'all can't see it, but anyway, they got little caps on them, man. Them things, they just a pain. Now, like, that's something I can probably get that'll use the whole 50, cause I was thinking of everything. I get them and I just switch them out later, but I like, that's something I can get. So then we're gonna go get some of them chromes and stuff. Then we got chrome rallies. So I'm gonna go get some lug nuts. The one that already come in the pack and all that. So that's what we got going on. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, I tell y'all what, I just thinking about. I'm gonna put some racing gas in here before I leave, cause I like, man, I ain't had none in the truck in quite some time. So last time I had racing gas in here was when I went to the track in Middle Georgia, which was some months ago. I've been having straight pump gas in it since then. So I like, man, let me put some this in 112. I like to do this, like I said, in all the car from time to time, keep them all clean. Like Dolo got straight pump gas in it right now. But it just keep everything, the components clean, the engine do run better. So that's why I do it. And I was like, man, this my last can. It like probably like 2.5 gallons in there, cost a half a can. Then I might slide to my hometown and get some more. Y'all know I do it every month, man. I go on my run, get my cans of racing gas. So call between the cars, I put some in R&B sometime too, which I need to. I ain't had none of R&B. Man, I can't even remember when, to be honest with you. So I'm probably gonna get like 20 gallons this time, but I don't know. Let me do that, then we're gonna ride. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We rolling, man. Y'all know what I was thinking about while I'm up here in brown coat? Man, I be mobbing in my cars all year long, man. This the time of the year people put these things up, and I'm still out here getting it in, man. Cold weather, 40 degrees. We still mobbing in these things. I'm a firm believer in no trailer queen, man. Where you put all this money in your car and you gonna let it sit? Like, for what? Man, I'm driving all year long, man. Y'all see it. Ain't nobody say at this point, nobody say, hey, Jay don't drive here. They ain't street cars. It's that every day. Y'all know every week, man, I'm in one of them. If it ain't raining, I'm in one of these cars. Y'all know it, man. Daily drove R&B. Pulling, boy. Real coat geek. But anyway, hey, y'all know, man, I be in these things all year long, man. Daily drove R&B. Then daily drive real coat. Daily drove John's on. Daily drive Dolo. What? When Big Meats come back, Same thing, man. Listen, Big Meat's gonna be so fast, people gonna think it ain't a street car. I promise you. People gonna really question whether it's a street car or not. It's gonna be a true street. And then I'm gonna drive that thing out of state. I'm gonna drive it clean out of state. So far. Look at that. Man, we don't get hot. We do not get hot. Yes, indeed. Listen to that good old Bobby Womack. I seen some of y'all in the comment new, man, about that cross 110th Street, man. I've been jamming the hill, old school vibes today. But man, I'm gonna keep pushing, get the AutoZone, get them little nuts, and we're gonna see what it do. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we just came out of AutoZone, man. Y'all see, brown coat. This thing glistening, man. Let me get my thumbnail. Why ain't no cars in the parking lot? Go ahead and get that thumbnail for y'all. Nah, it really ain't no good thumbnail with it. Cause I got the shade on it. But anyway, yeah, man. We out here having fun and everything. Ooh, look at that thing, boy. Good grace. That J-Hall, boy. But we got, I just picked up anything. I know I really don't need that, man. I got some windshield wiper fluid. Cause I think the truck needs some wifey card. She be using the mess out of it. And I was right on the money, card. It was $50 gift card. And this stuff was $56, man. I was right there, dead on the money. So, then I got the little nuts. Like I said, so, you know, that's what we got. Finna head back to the house. Get this up for y'all. Y'all gonna see it late, cause I'm getting to it late. But you know, that's what it do. Trying to get keep y'all stuff up daily, man. I be trying, but sometimes you know, get super busy. But yeah, finna hit the road, man, and turn y'all back on when I get to the house. All right, right back at it. Let me see. Got brown coat put up, man. I'm finna try to put y'all something else together. I really need to start testing this thing, man. I'm finna crawl up on here, throw the brown coat on, and I'm finna start getting this thing together for these wheels, man. I got people want to try something on the wheels and stuff, and I believe people trying to come at me because I ain't got it figured out right now, which is smart. That's a smart strategy. You get somebody when they ain't got it figured out. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all, when it all said and done with Big Dolo, I'm gonna be able to leave on the trans brake on these wheels, and they're gonna get up out of there. They're gonna get up out of there. 60 foot gonna be crazy, I promise you. But y'all see how I do stuff, man. I go to the track with these cars and I see what it needs to be done, man. I run it. I have a little fun while I'm there, testing tune, win or lose. Then y'all mess around. Y'all won't see these cars go to the track for 3 weeks. About 3 weeks to a month. Then I come back and it do what it need to do. So that's the plan, man. I'm finna start dialing these things in right here, like seriously testing. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a video over here for y'all and stuff. But like when I get down to the nitty gritty, and showing the settings that work and stuff, they're gonna be in the BCG Hangout. Cause I really don't show stuff like that, man. I don't show my tunes and stuff on the car, and I don't show settings, shock settings and stuff like the ones on the car now. I'm not gonna show that cause I have to pay for that sometimes. Like the way it's set up, I had to pay for that. The first tune that was in here, the ramp, I paid for that. So, you know, that's why, like, you know, you paying money. That's why certain people don't show their tunes. They ain't getting you no tunes. Like when you buy a car, I mean, you want a tune, you have to buy the car, it come with it. Cause them people be done paid somebody to tune their car. Just like John Jones, I paid to have their car tuned. So I'm not finna get it away when I paid big money to have it tuned. That's just how it works. So, but if you're in the BCG Hangout, I told y'all I share everything. I turn the camera on at times when I would normally not turn the camera on. And when I'm tuning, and if you're in the Hangout, then y'all already seen that. Y'all see I do late night stuff. I've been doing this over the course of a year and a half. Me and wifey go out there. She be out there with me, record for data. I got a lot of videos that I never posted. where I go out and I'm actually testing the cars and stuff. I got a whole bunch of video. Cause me and wifey go out there and like I said, she record, man. I need to see what the car's doing and all that, and I just don't put it on camera. But I do record it for my own data, to study and stuff. So that's the type of stuff I be putting up in the BCG Hangout, if you're a member. So shout out to all the members. I gotta do another video shouting out all the members. I probably shoot it today and formally talking about what we doing over in the BCG Hangout and what it is and all that again. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up for today's video though, man. I appreciate y'all. I catch y'all later. BCG, we out.